Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to replace headlight bulb H4 low beam on a Hyundai Matrix or Lavita in just 5 simple steps. So you have to lift the hood and pry that connector out from the headlight, from the back of the headlight. Then remove the rubber cap, pulling it out. We just remove the headlight to understand better what we are doing behind the headlight. To remove it, you have to push towards the front of the car and in the same time slide it to the right side of the car and then lift it up. So this is the H4 light bulb. You just have to replace it with another one just like that. You can find Philips Racing Vision H4 headlight bulbs in the video description below. So replace the old bulb H4 with the new one. We put the light bulb in the same position as the old one. Then you just have to put the clip back on the headlight. Then put the rubber cap back on the headlight, and the last thing to do is to connect the cables from the car and then put the hood back on. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.